Welcome to this lesson on surface area of a pyramid. A rectangular or square pyramid is a 3D figure with a rectangle or square base. And triangular sides. Slant height is the height of the triangular lateral faces. So we know normal height is from the top of the shape to the bottom. It's perpendicular with the base. So this is just the normal height. And it can be used to find things like the volume. It can also be used to find surface area using a different formula. But we're going to use the lateral height, which is here. It's the height of the triangular bases because then we can find the area of the triangles. So this is the slant height. All right, so we have our net over here. So the height of the triangles is 10. The base is 7. Remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the area of one of the triangular lateral faces is, let's see, 70. Half of 70 is 35. So that means each of these triangular faces has an area of 35 square inches. All right, and then we have the square base. It's 7 by 7, so that would be 49. So 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus the base of 49 is 189 inches squared. There is a formula that you can use as well. Base plus 1/2 PS. So let's talk about what these mean. So the big B stands for the area of the base. So in this case, that will be 49, the area of that square base. The little p stands for the perimeter of the base. So in this case, that would be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 28. And then S stands for the slant height. So this formula is good to use if you don't have a net. So let's just plug into that formula just to make sure we know how to use it. So again, the area of the base would be 49. 1/2. The perimeter of that base is 28. Remember, perimeter is just the sum of the length of the outside. And then the slant height, remember, is right over here, 10. All right, so let's see, 28 times 10 is 280. And then half of that would be 140. And then 49 plus 140 is 189. So we got the same thing, we're just using a formula instead of the net. All right, let's try this example. So the bottom of a pyramid has an area of 16 yards squared. The slant height is 9 yards. Find the surface area of the square pyramid. Okay, so it's a square pyramid, which means if the base is 16 yards squared, that means each side is 4 by 4, that's 16. The slant height is 9. Find the surface area. So since I have that slant height, I'm just going to go ahead and use that formula. So base plus 1/2 PS. So we know the area of the base is 16. The perimeter, let's see, that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That would also be 16. And then the surface area, the slant height is 9. All right. So 16 times 9, that's 144, divided by 2 is 72. Plus 16, that would be 88 yards squared. All right, you can go ahead and stop the video and complete your practice.